good morning and welcome to the mix. And today we have Dwayne, of course, and also Dwayne is sharing the video, and this video is with Tina Chin, and she's talking about people being exploited. You would like to go and listen to the video for yourself, draw your own opinion as always, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as usual. And have a wonderful, super happy day. Love you all.
Hello, Mr. Tina Chin. She come out and she go on with herself. She come for everybody. Everybody. From 99 to the Baker to La Donna. Who else? Darlings, I heard a lot of names. I heard a lot of names. A lot of names got thrown into the mix. A lot of names, absolutely. You see me, one thing I will not do. Jesus. It's sticky, my side sticky, it's sticky. It's sticky, it's sticky, it's sticky, bad too, it's sticky. It's sticky, sticky. It's sticky. Guys, you guys may hear words or phrases or sentences in the video. I won't endorse them. However, I endorse the mix-up. Just certain factors in it I don't endorse. All right? And that, yes. Lord of mercy. That means a Lord of mercy. What is this? And there we have it. It's shared. It is shared. It is okay. So we're ready. I'm very sure you guys are all ready. I'm ready. We're all ready. Are you guys ready? You guys ready? We're all ready. Yes, we're ready. Don't answer. We are ready. We are ready. So let's go into it. She soon start. She soon start. It's about to start now, in any second. Any second.
What the fuck?
Any second, it's about to start. She showed that festival. She showed that festival. She showed that festival. And she's gonna explain why she showed it. And then she'll go night, darlings, alright? Bear with. It's about to start. The show's about to start.
Hello. But I had up on the road, I take care of my business. Mental health is real. Okay? Mental health is real.
We start scratch already.
That was a person in front of me. I showed you that person in front of me because look how me I walk out and I just smoke around. Right? That's why I'm going to show it to you. And you notice me not show your face. There's a reason why I showed it to you. Mental health is nothing to be played with or exploited. You understand? But mental health is not to be played with or exploited for personal gains or for entertainment. But
she already knows.
If you're illiterate and dark, you won't really understand. If you're without compassion, if you're illiterate and dark, you don't really understand how bad mental health is, and you won't have any form of compassion whatsoever for people who are struggling with mental health.
It's about to show. It's about to go
now,
down.
Yeah, granted, Tuesday I come out and put 99 in our place. Right? 99 saw that as an opportunity. I don't know where she would see it as an opportunity. Which part of her mind would see that as an opportunity to come out and talk about my mad.
I'm going to go on the bed very shortly because she got show some Jesus Christ.
By me coming out and calling her house a yellow school bus,
I'm gonna
99, in all her dumbness, decided to see that as something to promote me as a mad woman. And oh, she gonna bring me go Bellevue. And all of a sudden, being mad is now for entertainment. Being mad is for entertainment purposes. So basically, she is willing to exploit people's mental illness just for her entertainment. This is how sickening these people are. Should I realize that our intelligence can't tell her, say, well, she don't have any, she really doesn't have any intelligence, number one. Should I have no intelligence, number one. Should I have none. So you not expect her to think any better. Right? So she don't come out and talk about, oh, she gonna bring me go Bellevue and me a mad somebody and all of them somebody. Why she never do that when Selene did have to go get her injection? Right? She never do that for Selene when Selene have to go get her injection. When her sister sleep with her brother and give her Joshi,
Jesus Christ.
when Joshi came out, she didn't see that as a mental situation.
Jesus Christ.
That is so low of her. For somebody like that to sit down and take mental health as a joke, I hope you realize what exactly Uno has support. Right? Look at that friggin' woman and look at the mockery that she's making of mental health. Even if I was mentally unstable. Just let's say, even if I was. What's that something to make a mockery out of? And then you're going to bring me go Bellevue for prove a point? You get what I'm trying to say? She's a dog. You see why she have to get done up? You see why I have to stoop to levels and just empty her like a bottle of water? Somebody like she, that gun right there, you can't deal with her like no. You can't deal with her lightly. You can't come out and speak to her or nothing like that. You have to dab her up. You have to just dab her up. You have to just take your baseball bat and just lick her on her head. You have to dab her up. You can't talk to her like no normal person because she don't understand. You understand what I say?
Yeah, crutch.
She make fun of mental health like it's a funny thing. Where does she find entertainment in all of that? I don't know. Because as far as I'm concerned, our mother is mentally unstable. Our mother have mental illness. Right? Isn't our mom unstable? Isn't Selene unstable? Isn't the son what she claim she adapt? Isn't he a product of mental illness?
God.
He's a product of mental illness. Our entire mother side of family of mental illness.
She soon start. She just a start.
Our entire side of family of mental illness, and this woman will make a mockery out of mental illness. So we don't realize why she herself is mentally unstable. We don't realize that Dana mad. Like, she mad.
And
the thing about it is that the reason why she's doing it, because a lot of Jamaicans back home, you know how we here in America and in other foreign countries, we were reconditioned to think more sensitively about mental illness. Even if we were in Jamaica, we used to think a certain type of way. But by us immigrating and coming to different foreign countries, we realize that mental illness isn't really a joke. You understand? We've become, in Jamaica, they're desensitized with that. You know, you notice how they deal with people who are disabled, you know, and there's a good and a bad about how they deal with people who are disabled back home. There's a good and bad with how they deal with mental illness back home, right? Sometimes they make fun of the people them back home because they're mentally unstable. Sometimes people accept them as them family. We don't really discriminate against them, so on and so forth, right? Because we're desensitized back home, right? Flip the script when they come to America, it's a totally different ball game, right? We're now sensitized, we're now sensitive about mental illness, the causes of mental illness, the different mental illnesses that are out there. We're now educated about that. Back home, they don't really do a good job educating people about mental illness, because in most cases, it's a job to it's a laughing situation to a lot of people. Something that Dana is displaying right now, it's a laughing situation to her, right? She don't realize that this drive that she's doing and her calling me mad and whatever, and how she gonna bring me go to Bellevue, she don't realize the distastefulness of what she's doing. And this is why People with sense need to stop following a dirty woman. She is the scum of the earth. When I do her up Tuesday, I'm going to break it down for Uno. I want her to understand that she deserved every ounce of every nickname that she was called. She deserved every bit of disrespect that she is getting all throughout the internet right now. Because she consistently keeps displaying the same blatant, disgusting ignorance. And the wicked thing about it is that this woman have a platform. She has thousands of other idiots where I support our stupidity and I support our ignorance. That's the scariest part about it. This woman has the power to persuade other people into her foolishness. I hope the authorities, or I hope the people at Bellevue do not accept anything that she's giving out or giving to them for these mentally ill people that they're caring for. I hope Bellevue turn our way. You remember when she was trying to give food to the homeless people, and the homeless people, the Department of the Homeless, or I don't know what the organization is named, but they actually wrote her a letter and said to her, you cannot just be giving food to homeless people like that. You need to ask for her or permission first. She never understand that, you know. She don't understand, say, you can't put the camera upon these mentally unstable people, these people with mental illness who are homeless on the streets. She don't understand the concept of privacy. She don't understand the concept of respect. This woman went around on the streets of downtown Jamaica and I put camera in these mentally ill people's face and I feed them with KFC just for your hype. Just to get likes and views and noise. She violate the people them privacy. She don't understand them things them. You understand? She don't understand, so you can't violate people privacy them with her. And this is why they never let her in on the grounds of the children's home. Right? Because she would have gone to the children's home, pick up her live, and start video the people them in the children's home just for likes and views and clout. The woman here is a real, you see why the whole of them just belong together? You see why Shirley Everclean, Carol and the whole of them belong together? Eh? Well, we're speaking specifically about her, Antoinette. We're talking about her specifically right now because she's the topic. We are aware, Antoinette, that other people do it, but she's the topic right now. And regardless of other people doing it, I see other people show more sensitivity and more compassion to these people that they feature, right? Even though other people do it, as you said, these other people are not doing it to pretty much like shame the people them, insult the people them, or exploit the people them. They might do it with more sensitivity. They might do it with more compassion.